Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing Google Photos and signing into your Google account. This gives the app access to your cloud library. Once done, grant Photos permissions so the app can read your camera roll and enable background app refresh to keep thumbnails updated. Make sure your iPhone is on Wi-Fi to avoid cellular use. You should also confirm storage available in Google. If near limit, free up space or consider Google One. These steps prepare your device for the upload process. Next, in Google Photos, you enable backup and sync so your shots upload automatically. You choose upload size. Original preserves quality. Storage saver reduces file size to save quota. Once enabled, pick which folders to back up, screenshots, WhatsApp, or camera roll, and decide whether to allow mobile data uploads. Make sure your cellular data settings match your plan. The app will show upload progress and confirm when items are backed up, letting you free local storage if desired. Finally, access your sync library from the Photos, Albums, and Search tabs. Google Photos Search recognizes people, places, and objects so you find images fast. To share, create links or shared albums and set collaborator permissions. This keeps control over edits and downloads. If something goes wrong, first confirm app permissions, available Google storage, and a stable network, then force quit and update the app. If issues persist, sign out and sign back. That often resets sync and completes any stalled uploads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.